If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Twilio with the ticker symbol TWLO. This was a viewer's request and thank you for a donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for TWLO and it does not look good. However, you can see that downtrend is starting to slow down because we are moving at a steeper angle. You can see in the past it was a nice 40 to 45 degree angle. Now this is getting shallower. So this is the channel that's working currently in play right now. It's working down slowly. You can see that we're pretty much at the same price we were in June. So it's pretty much flat right now. We do have earnings approaching, so it looks like the volatility has dried up till we see this big move estimated to be on August 4th after market close. So that's when we'll probably see the big move, which is sometime this week. You can see that we have a massive drop since the all-time high, which is around the 456 level, and currently we're trading at the $87 level. So there's a massive drop. A bunch of stocks look very similar to this chart, where we had a pretty much 100% retracement back to 2020 lows, and some stocks are even exceeding those lows. You can see there's a large gap on the chart right over here, which has been filled, and also we are back near close to the 2020 lows. I'm thinking we're going to break those because there's a measured move that I see can be reached. If this is the first leg down, we are currently in the process of forming the second leg, so the algos are programmed to hit this target. If it can't, it's going to reverse, but as right now it looks like they're still headed down here, and this is right around the $38 level, which is very low. Can it get there? Technically it is possible. I wouldn't call this a bottom right now, but this does not look good. You can see that in the past we were inside of this channel right here. We have experienced the first break of the pattern of this orange pattern, but we have not made a new low of the orange pattern. So I'm looking for a new low back to the mid 70s and probably gonna even exceed that. If we're really bearish, we can reach that $38 to $40 level. So that's all I see on the daily chart. It's just pretty much very similar to a lot of other stocks where we had a pump up for a few years and then we saw the dump. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for TWLO. Looks like it's been in the market for several years. We saw a massive pump up. You can see that prices were like 99% of the time staying above the EMA, and if we ever came to it, we got a huge bounce off of it, and then we started going sideways. Now we broke below the EMA and we have not even been near it. Even if we come close to it, prices get rejected and we continue to sell off. So you can see that 99% of these bars are below the EMA, except for obviously back here in September, October of last year, but majority of the time prices are still below the EMA. So this is a downtrend. Until we get back above the EMA, probably not going to change my mind. I'm going to stick to this bearish bias that I have. Since we're very close to the 2020 lows, which is right around the $70 level or the high 60s, I believe we'll probably break it. Since prices pull back this far, there's really not a lot stopping it from breaking just a little bit lower. And if the market is really bearish, we can reach the $30 level, like I was saying before, somewhere in the 30s. So those are my two targets for TWLO. Does not look good right now. I would say that the downtrend is definitely slowing down. We are probably closer to the bottom than we have in this entire downtrend. But you don't want to be picking bottom because it's a low probability. Like the bottom could be here, it could be here, it could be here, it could be here. So it's not really sure until we see a confirmed uptrend in the opposite direction. So that's pretty much everything I have for TWLO. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with a bunch of friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.